Hey people, how are we doing today? I thought I'd do a little taste test video just in honor of Erica on Toast, and please forgive me if I say your name wrong, Tina Plant. Both of them are vegan, and I've heard so much about being vegan, so I thought I'd give something a try. One dish. I might have to try it, a couple others. If you like this video, I hope you'll comment on it. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to try this. It's Rajma Chawal. It's made by MTR. It's a delicious combination of red kidney beans and rice, straight from the heartland of Punjab. A tasty meal anytime, anywhere. And that's what it looks like. Like I said, I'm doing this for them. And for all of you. And of course, what would a taste test be for me without something sweet? Or kind of sweet. And that's where Kedem Tea Biscuits from Israel come in. So, without further ado, let me go fix this and I'll be right back. Hi! I came back! Did you miss me? Okay. Now, here's the way it looks on the package. Doesn't that look beautiful? Now, I don't have the fancy bowls. I don't have anything fancy. And this is the way it looks after I cooked it. I can guarantee it smells delicious. Now, let's see how it tastes. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Mmm. Mmm. It's got a little bite to it too. Mmm. Mmm. I can see eating this. It's good. Mmm. It's got a little spice to it. It's got a lovely taste. It's got a wonderful smell to it. You want to smell? Want to smell? What do you think? Mmm. Mmm. I could see eating that again. I even know what to get now. I'll give that an 8 out of 10. I'm not really into red kidney beans, but it's very good. I know they're loaded with protein. Now, let us try the tea biscuits. Ooh. They are quite good looking, aren't they? Mmm. 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 Oops, sorry. I wonder if I need tea with this. This would be good with tea. Hmm. Hmm. It might even be good with coffee. Hmm. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me know you like it. Let me know what you think. Any questions, any comments, in the comment section below. If you like this video enough, you can share it with your friends. See, I'm brave enough to try just about anything. And this is good. So I will continue eating this. Now, you can follow me on Facebook. Kenny or Kenneth Davenport there. You can follow me on Twitter. I believe I'm Alpha Flyer there. Or you can follow me on Instagram. I can't quite remember my name on that, but you know It could be anything. But just look me up. And if you want to write me a letter, be sure to include a self-addressed stamped envelope and send it to Kenny Davenport, Post Office Box 198, Crossville, Tennessee 38557. Now, next month, I will have a Q&A video. I've got plenty of questions right now. This may be a little long. If it is, I'm sorry. But I hope you will enjoy it. Until then, have a great day. Have a great night. Whenever you're watching this, just enjoy life. Bye.